This is my 1947 International, and about 35 degrees here in the garage. Let me go ahead and see if we can try to get her started. She hasn't run in a few days. First step, there's a battery disconnect. It's down here in this hole in the floor. Right there. Make sure that's tight. That cover back on there. Alright, now we got a starter stop pedal right there. Got the choke right here. Pull that out because it's cold. Usually doesn't need choke in the morning or in the summertime. Ignition switch, turn that on. Listen for the fuel pump. Give her a stomp. Probably need a couple of times because she's cold. Let it cool down a minute. Other controls in here. This is the headlight switch right there, just like a regular 1969 Dart, which is what it came out of. This is the override switch for the electric cooling fan. Normally it's automatic, but if you want it to come on, there you go. She's cold today. Doesn't need much choke. See the gauge cluster there? This GM alternator needs to come up to about 1500 RPM before it'll start working. So I usually let it run a little bit on the battery before I run the RPMs up there when she's cold. And that yellow light that's on, that's the charging indicator. There's the horn. There's 1500 RPM there, and let her back down. That blue light on the dash, that's for the high beam headlights. Turn your headlights on, and then there's a high beam switch here on the floor. Hit that foot, and that comes on. Turn signal switch right here. And there's a hazard switch behind that. Cancel it, just like that. Go out and take a look at the motor here. That's it.